Hello everybody. So now I'm going to show you how to delete a record from a table. As you can see, I got three classrooms with all three having the same name. That's not what I want. So I just want one classroom and no doubles. So I have to delete two records. Now, let's go to Outsystems Studio. Let's go to location detail. Oh no, first of all, so every entity has a create classroom, a create or update classroom, get, and two gets, and a delete classroom. So we don't have to make these server actions. But what we have to do is call this delete action. So we add a new server action, call it, let's say delete classroom. Because we already have this delete classroom, it will put a 2 at the end. Seems a bit ugly to me, so I'll put in delete and classroom so the 2 doesn't reappear. Alright, now let's put an input parameter classroom ID. We need to have the input parameter so the server action knows which record to delete. Let's put this one here, give the ID. Alright, now let's publish. Now that I've published it in my core layer, I can call it in my front end. Just go to in use. Very important. I need to put public on yes, or else I can't find it. So republish again. Go to the dependencies. As you can see, we have the delete classroom server action. Apply. All right. So what we're going to do first is add a client action because we need to call the server action in our screen, and that's not possible with a server action, so we need to make a client action to call the server action. All right, so we made a client action remove, or let's rename it to delete. As you can see, we have this delete server action right here. We'll drag and drop, give the right ID. Outsystems already suggests the right one. And then we're going to the screen, going to add a new column. Let's make this a bit smaller, 80 pixels. All right. Let's give it a name, delete. And instead of a button, I'm going to add a icon just because I think it's cooler. Let's put a trash item icon. All right. Now we have to link this to our delete client action, and not to forget we need to refresh. Oh, not here. We need to, yes, we need to refresh our data. As you can see, you always have to be sharp because Outsystems can suggest the wrong one, as it did. So I need to have the classroom ID from the get classroom by ID aggregate and not the get location by ID aggregate. So I'll give the ID, publish. Let's open our application, refresh. As you can see, the delete icon appears, and when I click on it, it removes the record. So now I have just one. Thank you very much for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and have a nice day.